Sa kasaysayan ng PBA, madami nang nagdaan na magagaling na big man. Pero kung may pinaka-underrated man o hindi gaanong napapansin, yan na marahil ay si Eric Menk o Major Payne kung tawagin. Kasabayan ni na Danny Ai, Asi Taulava at Ali Pic ay talagang nagpasikat ito gamit ang kanyang tigas sa ilalim, nakakamanghang footwork at pulidong mid-range jumper.
Oh my goodness, what a ball game! Eric Menk with the ball. They have a foul to give. No, he's open again! Eric Menk again! Eric Menk has done it again!
Sa panahon ng kalakasan ni Eric Menk, ay literal na bumubuhat ito ng kupunan at nakikipagsabayan sa mga tanyag na big man noong 2000 era. Kahit pa kina Asi Taulava o Danny Ildefonso na kapwa pinarangalan na MVP, ay pumapantay si Major Payne sa kanilang hanay. Isang halimbawa ng riyan ay ang kontrobersyal na pagtatagpo ni Eric Menk at Asi Taulava noong 2003 All-Filipino Cup ng PBA. March 21, 2003 ang petsang nakatakda para magbanggaan ang dalawang higanteng ito ng PBA. Sa panahong ito ay naglalaro pa para sa Ginebra San Miguel si Eric Menk, habang TNT Phone Pulse jersey ang suot-suot ni Asi Taulava. Naging ibang klase nga ang laban na ito dahil talagang pinakita ni Eric Menk ang lahat ng kanyang bala sa court para patunayan na hindi siya papatalo kahit pa sa tinuturing na shock ng PBA. Kaya tara mga idol at ating balikan ang laban ni Eric Menk at Asi Taulava, ang laro kung saan dinurog ni Major Payne ang kupunan ng TNT.
Someone on the other hand of the stick has won their last two, of course, spearheaded. And speaking of family, the starting fives for both teams for Talking Tex, as you see Harvey Carey breaking the ice here. He is joined by Asi Taulava. Sa tingin mo ba it's a matter of composure and maybe leadership sa endgame? Kasi sino ba ang pwede talaga maging leader dyan? Merong Bal David, may 3-zone itong Talking Tex.
Correct, TJ. It's a 2-3 zone defense being applied.
And Eric Menk says, I will try again. And he does, getting his first field goal.
Not those 3-pointers, pero at that time,
Parang maaga, no?
Oo.
Well, Mark Kagiwa says it may be early in our shot clock, but I can drain this jumper as he feels. Ngayon pa lang. Nasanay ako sa FIBA eh.
Yun.
4 shooting the field. Sunday Salvacion, 4-3. Count that.
You don't allow Sunday Salvacion to have an open shot anywhere.
Calpito, here's the double team. Alapag, down the middle, out to Ravena. For 3, short. And the loose ball goes to Taulava, and he books his field goal easily there. After bola, uy, bola, akin na to.
Para nakapulot ng piso.
Eric Menk from a step inside the 3, and Asi Taulava says, we set. Shot clock is down to 10 seconds. Looking for Eric Menk against Carey. Strong fake, goes up hard with the pump and gets the basket to boot, pero walang foul doon Eric Menk. Kahit sino bumangga sa'yo, okay ka lang. Norman Gonzalez, Harvey Carey says, babangking ko kayo lahat. Asi Taulava thought about it, drives inside, trickles out. Norman Gonzalez again at the right place, at the right time, with the right...
Alam mo, ito si Aris Di Maunahan, birthday boy ngayon.
Aba, birthday boy! Ito si Eric Menk, sabi niya, ako rin, pwede makipag-birthday boy dahil 10 puntos na po ako.
Yung bola sa kanya, for a soft jumper.
Ako, binalik naman ni Aris Di Maunahan sa phone pass. Here come the phone pass, Asi Taulava trying to do a facial slam on Aris Di Maunahan. Just could not get the dunk to stay. Eric Menk against Mark Delan, and he gets that to drop. Eric Menk is a man possessed. May balak na ulitin yung ginawa niya na last
Meron talaga, no? Power move.
Jimmy Alapag getting the shooter's bounce for 3 with his second triple, already with 6 points. Menk taking a pass, driving inside, goes hard against Mark Delan. Somebody falls. Calpito says, akin na to mga kaibigan, and he books his 2 points.
A case of being...
Here's Jimmy Alapag trying to set things up again for the phone pass. He's got 6 points in the game. Gets 2 screens at the top of the key, pulls up, and he gets... maganda shooter's bounce here ni Jimmy Alapag.
He's been laro nito in the first 2 games.
Right, we're gonna check this out. Here's Asi Taulava in the paint, trying to beat the buzzer, and it won't drop. As the end of... Please do stick around. This is going to be a very strong, and Alapag again with the ball. Lob pass to Asi Taulava. Fake, and he puts it right in the hole. As here come the Talking Tex phone fouls. Talking Tex, may maagang run, ano?
6-0 run by Talking Tex, and the birthday boy, Aris Di Maunahan. He did not get that ball instead. Natawagan siya ng offensive foul.
Eric Menk in the middle, driving down hard, and uses the glass against Asi Taulava.
A hole. A hole in the zone defense of the Talking Tex phone fouls partner. Eric Menk just having an easy time
So coach, so far maganda yun talaga yung timing ng cut ni Meg.
Oo.
Nakakahanap siya ng butas. Patrick Fran to Asita Olava gets a double team. Alapag wide open for three, and he drains it again. Jimmy Alapag, done layup. Too strong. Here's Junlin Put from 17 feet. He drains the jumper, and he once again puts the lead.
Iba lang ang pulso nito.
Good point.
Iba na rin ang legs nito.
Speaking of pulso, malakas yung pulso doon ni Salvacion. Pero yung pulso naman ni Belano, sabi niya, eto na, okay na ako. Here's Belano. Pops a three in front of the face of Mark Caguioa. Harvey Carey, big rebound, big assist pass to Norman Gonzalez. At don't look now.
Harvey Carey issuing a pass to Norman Gonzalez, although may tira na siya after getting that offensive
Oh,
rebound.
talk about nice passes. Nice pass by Mark Caguioa.
Kapangga, kumikislap eh.
Lumiliyap. Ito, Eric Mex spinning baseline, going hard to the hoop with the left hand, and he gets the friendly bounce against the whole team. Shot back inside to Meg, tapped away by Mark Dillon. Here's Alapag racing against everybody and says, walang kasing bilis ko sa PBA. I'll do my best with this slippery ball. Eric Mex, Mark Dillon all over him like a jockstrap. Mark Caguioa for three, drains it.
Nagre-reklamo pa yan.
Mark Dillon says, babawi ako agad. Ayaw yung kanyang running jumper off the glass. Mark Dillon missing that, and Belano with the rebound. Alapag thought about it. Out to Belano, and he drains a jumper from 20 feet.
Unselfish.
49-40 amidst the absence of Romero Duque, who just graduated today. Has a nice jumper by Baldavid to start off the scoring here.
Top of the key.
Inside to Asita Olava, who is back in the ball game after sitting out a long period for his three-point foul. Long three-point shot by Norman.
He has not been shooting quite well from the field.
Junlin Pot at the post again. Very nice spin inside. Kinindatan na naman.
Harvey Carey, how it is done underneath.
Bata, ganito lang yung kindatan dito sa PBA. Asita Olava takes a jumper, takes it anyways, and he drains that in the face of Alex Asita Olava, only with 4 points in the ball game as he sat it out a long time. Baldovic strong to the hoop, floating that over Norman Gonzalez. Para sa old house, here's Taulava going baseline. Out to Gonzalez, out to Olapag. Sabi niya, back to you, pare ko. Isa pang tres dyan at isa pa nga ang binigay ni Norman Gonzalez. Back-to-back three-point. Why not? Another three-pointer. Pero ayaw. At rebound kay David. Quickly out to Mark Caguioa for the easy layup. And fast break na naman para sa Ginebra.
Mark Caguioa for 2 points. There's the double.
Alapag from the kick out. Another three-pointer. Apa! Nakatapo na po na tres itong phone fouls.
Trabaho.
Correct. Speaking of teammates who's in trouble now, Alapag has 4 fouls. That's why Baldavid trying to get his fifth. Tristano with a big rebound and the putback in the face of getting a high screen from Carey. Playing peekaboo against Di Maunahan, taking up a three. And Asita Olava with a strong rebound and a putback against Eric Menk.
Getting better positioning against Eric Menk.
Okay, back to live action. Asita Olava using his size. Here come the phone fouls. Alapag thought about the three. Sabi niya, ikaw na lang, Paring Bong. At si Paring Bong, hindi naman niya pinahiya ang kumpiyansa ni Jimmy Alapag. As he
Bong Ravena.
Junlin Pot could not get the short jumper.
What a pass!
Carey, what a pass! Awesome pass with the jiggle and the Jimmy from Jimmy Alapag. And here they come again. They are in the lead, 66-64. Asita Olava.
And it's all Jimmy Alapag. Jimmy Alapag creating a basket for himself. And Ginebra's last field goal was in the 6:14 mark of this quarter.
Ayan, nakabawi na sa'yo. Narinig ka ni Eric Menk. So after 4 minutes,
Johnson,
bakit
di ba?
kaya?
Ewan mo.
May takot ba siya sa depensa ni Johnson? Malay natin. Belano for three, drains it!
So many talk and text phone calls make that 6 3-points
left.
in this quarter.
Here's Rob Johnson out to Elmer Lago, wide open all day to shoot a three, but it's gonna be called a two by referee Kalungkagin. If you want Asita Olava to take, if you are Coach Paul Wolpert. Caguioa quickly to Crisano. Nice pass to Eric Menk, who finishes saying thank you very much, buddy Alex. Rob Johnson, shot clock down to 5. He's got to do something about this. Quick steps, Rob Johnson inside, gets erased by Asita Olava as he says, welcome to the PBA, Rob Johnson.
Game clock. Oh, what a pass!
Nice pass to Eric Menk.
Executed play.
Woo! What a sneak pass there by Elmer Lago. And there's still 0.3 seconds left on the clock as they're all celebrating. And Asi will jack this one from 3-4 court. It's out of bounds. And what a ball game we have on our hands, folks. Enough in them to get this game tied up at the end of 3. Here's Asita Olava. Patrick Francis up a 3. Count that two. Ang dami ng 3-point shots po mga kaibigan. Lago. Johnson takes a three. And he drains it.
It's a long two.
Correct me, Rob Johnson with a long two for Eric Menk. Here's Kagiwa. Stepping on the breaks, finds Crisano inside against Ravenna. Easy pickings for the big position, but was blocked from behind by Elmer Lago. Here's Rob Johnson out to Lago. Going for a long two, and he drains that to the delight of the crowd.
For a tweener.
Asitalaba baseline against 5 white shirts. He likes that shot, plus the foul. Back, they swing it to Alapag, driving hard the baseline. Here comes Alapag. You Mike, I'm lost for words. What a move. Ayun, 6'4", 6'5". Diyos ko dahil, Jimmy Alapag. Mark Kagiwa draining a step back three.
A timely jumper for Mark Kagiwa.
Out to Ravenna, out to Alapag. Let's see if he's gonna do something again. Inside to carry, strong against Eric Menk, and he drains the top shot with the foul.
The rookie to 47% in the second half, while Barangay Ginebra down from 42% to 38%.
4 points na lang po ang kalamangan ng phone fouls. Here's Bong Ravenna. Inside traffic. Patrick Van with the loose ball. Dipsy-do. Learning a thing or two from Jimmy Alapag. To Kagiwa. Out to Lago. Inside to Eric Menk. Fade away against Harvey Carey. Book that. Turner.
Difficult shot.
Here's Pal David against 3.
No
Make up
numbers.
4.
Open
Kagiwa
court.
open in the middle. Floater by Mark Kagiwa. That is his trademark shot. And folks,
7 seconds.
shot clock winding down. Alapag goes inside. Kick it to Mark Talan. Gets blocked from behind. And the ball will go to Alex Crisano.
And no.
Here comes the inbound. David is open. Fakes. Menk is open for three. And that's it. What a shot by Eric Menk. Oh my goodness, what a ball game. Denied Alapag.
They denied
Asi
Alapag.
from the parking lot. Wala. Kagiwa with the rebound. There's still time. No. The phone fouls are on a 2-game winning streak. Here's Alapag leaving the dust behind with Rob Johnson.
Rob Johnson anticipating a pick and roll, but it's
June Limport can't find an opening against Asi. Asi has 5 fouls though. Balzarit forces a jumper and he rattles it home. Crisano with the rebound. Alapag with the hustle. And Asi with the putback.
good play by Jimmy Alapag.
Alapag gets a high screen, kicking it out to Ravenna. Out to Tilan, jacking up another 3, and he drains it.
He wants that shot. He wants that shot.
Lago inside to Menk against Mark Tilan. Pull up jumper, and he's not yet done. Eric Menk, 36 points. Foul niya. Folks, welcome to the last 2 minutes. Last na ba talaga to? I can't promise you that. As Elmer Lago promises you 3-point shots that last 2 minutes. Hope you brought
Take those outside shots, and he just showed us he can very one.
outside shot by Alapag, and
That's a long two.
he still has. Grabe, no?
Ang dami ng tira nito si Jimmy Alapag, puro soft bounce lang.
This is Menk again. Limpot, go back to Menk. Sabi niya, thank you very much to Limpot. Eric Menk with the easy two. On your screens, here we go. Eric Menk with the ball.
They have a foul to give. No
He's open again. Eric Menk again. Eric Menk has done it again. Looking for this double high screen once again. Step back. In the paint. Jimmy Alapag is not yet done. Jimmy Alapag, 35 points. There. Menk backing down Tilan, who's got 5 fouls. And the deuce by Major Payne.
Just powering his way. Boards. 2 assists.
Here's Baldavid spinning against Alapag off the glass, and it gets the drop.
The blast.
To Limpot. Thought about it, kicking out. Eric Menk will see why not. He's been hot. Oh, this one's up. Lago with a big putback. Lago with a huge putback. They're now up. Fishing the foul. Walang foul doon si Dimanahan. And that is the ball game.
Yan ang iba. Sino pa ba? Sino nagpa-overtime? Si Eric Menk para sa ating best player of the game.
At yan ang ngiti ng isang best player na nagpapanalo.
Kita mo naman ang mga numbers niya. 45 points, 17 rebounds on 17 of 31 field goal conversion. Ang